For number 16, it says one wording of the letters T, U, V, and W from left to right is U, T, V, W. What is the total numbers of wordings of these letters from left to right, including U, T, V, W? Well, all this is saying is that we are trying to figure out how many ways can we rearrange these 4 letters and the order matters. I will show you guys 2 ways. The first way is that we have to be patient though, but we can do it. First, when we have T, U, V, W, of course we can have just how it is, T, U, V, W, right? And then another way is that we can still keep the T to be the first. I will still keep the U to be the second, but then I can switch the V and the W and we will have T, U, W, V, right? Next, I will still want to keep the T first, but then I cannot have the U go second anymore, because these are the only 2 possibilities when you have T and U in the first and the second place. So I would like to have, let's say, W next. And in that case, I will be able to put a U right here and then keep the V maybe. And then I can still have T goes first, W second. I will switch this, so I will say, let's say, VU. And can I still have the T goes first? Yes, let's say put a T right here. But this time, I cannot have the W go second anymore. I would like to have the V go second. So let me put down the V right here. And then let me put down the U. And then the W. And for the next one, I will have T, V, and I'll switch this to W, U. And as you can see, these are the only ways that you can have the T goes first. And you see that we have 2 U's right here, 2 W's here, 2 V's here, right? And then everything else is a different ordering, different rearrangement. Next, I will have to have something else that goes first. Let me just start off with U first. And then let's say T. And then let's say I have V and W, right? And I can keep the first 2 letters and then switch the last 2. So U, T, W, V. And you see this is it. And you just keep going on doing this and just kind of figure out all the possible rearrangements. So let me do U and then have the V goes next and then have T and then W. And I can have U, V, W, T, right? You see I just switch these 2 and have a different arrangement. Next, I will have U and then let me have the W goes next. And then I can have TV and then I can have U, W, V, T. And then I am going to start off with another letter. So let me say V and then we can have U goes next and W and T, right? And you go ahead V, U, T, W, and then next I will have V goes first, but then W next, and then T, U, and then V, W, U, T, and then I can have V, T, W, U, or V, T, U, W. At the very end, let me start off with what? W. I haven't started with W, right? So W, and let me just put on U, T, V, and then I can have W, U, V, T, and then let's go ahead. W, T, U, V, and then W, T, V, U, and then we can have W, V, T, U, and then W, V, U, T. Alright, so maybe you have seen the pattern already, but these are all the possible ways to arrange these 4 letters. As you can see, right here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then this right here also have 6, another 6, another 6. So altogether, we have a possible 24 ways to order these 4 letters. And now this is the second way. Okay, so let me just do this in blue right here. As you can see, we have to order these 4 letters, right? So let's consider 4 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have these 4 spots. And you have to think about how many ways can you do a certain things. For example, for the first spot, how many ways can we choose a letter from here to be in the first? Well, you can choose T, you can choose U, you can choose V, you can choose W. We have 4 ways, right? So we are going to have 4 right here. But then, after you chose one letter, how many more letters do we have for the second space? Well, let's say the first one I choose phi already, so that's out. I have only 3 more left, so I have 3 right here, right? And then how many more letters can we have for the third space? Well, let's say I pick U earlier. Well, we only have 2 more letters, so it has to be 2. And at the end, you see, once you have 1, 2, 3, so let me say the W is out as well. We have no other choice except for the last one, so we have 1 more choice. So you see, we have 4 choices here, 3 choices, 2 choices, and then at the end we have 1 choice. At the end, we multiply. 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 give us a total of 24 ways, and this is how we do the number of ways to arrange a certain things. Okay, this is called rearrangement or permutation. Permutation.
That's it.